Everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unbagging my December Sephora play bag. So before we go ahead and get into that, I want to just give you a couple of quick reminders. I do have my own online clothing boutique if you're interested. It is Niminis.com. We do sell women's clothing. My link is in the description below. Also, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. That really does help me out. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit the like button if you like unboxings or unbaggings. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into our Sephora play bag. I normally, or this month, I have been doing try on style, and I do intend to try products on from this box. I have already pulled the card out, so I do already know what products are in here. That is it right there, and I really only have 2 of the products that I can try on, so we'll get there. So I do have a full face of makeup on today. I'll just remove the makeup that I need to try out. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into the bag. I am going to go ahead and open it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just pull something out because there is an extra bonus item in here that it doesn't actually have on the paper. It just says an extra trial, this month's bonus. We think you should kick off the new year with something a little special. This month, we've picked a few of our favorite products from 2018 and sent you a 6th mystery trial size bonus. And I did get the Sol Janeiro Boom Boom Cream. I do not like this. This actually gives me a really bad headache. The scent is way too strong for me. My 19-year-old will use this, however, so I am going to go ahead and give that to him. So it's nice. It's just shy of 1 ounce, and it feels like it's a little bit open. So I'm going to tighten that up a little bit because the scent is just a little bit too strong for me. I am very sensitive to the different scents. I don't wear perfume, that sort of thing. So, all right, I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out. Let's see. Let's pull this one out right here. This is from Belief. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I think this is the white cream one. I do have the gel. It is the white cream. So I do have the gel, which is supposed to be better for combo to oily skin, but right now during the winter, I am super, super dry. So I am going to go ahead and keep this and use it during the winter because I am, like I said, drier than I am normally. So it is just a white cream moisturizer. So I'm going to go ahead and keep that. I'm actually really excited to give that a try. I have my little sample of the gel moisturizing cream, or I forget what they call it. There's a little bit of a difference in the name of it, but I have the gel one sitting on my bathroom counter right now, and I am using that for my skin as well. So I'm interested to see what the cream is like. All right, and what does it say on the card? It says, make the moisture of it. This is from Belief. This is the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, a nourishing moisturizer that hydrates and soothes skin with apothecary herbs. Why we're raising a toast to it. Prepare for skin that is soft, smooth, and supple with this post-party savior. This cushiony cream bursts upon application, releasing a flood of moisture that completely absorbs into skin and is never sticky. How to use: apply a quarter-size amount to face and neck morning and night. Tip: uses a 5-minute emergency moisture mask. There you go. Okay, next item. Let's see what else we have in here. I will say this, they now have these bags from Sephora Play, and you can see through them, which makes me so unhappy because I used to like to really be surprised by what's in here, but it is what it is. All right, this is from Lancome. It is the Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. That is what it looks like. Okay. So this says on the double, the Lancome Bifacial, I said bifacial, I think. Bifacial Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. It's a gentle liquid makeup remover that easily wipes away any product. Why we're raising a toast to it. Start the new year fresh with this non-oily formula that is ideal for sensitive skin. It removes even the most long-lasting makeup while conditioning and refreshing skin. How to use: you apply to a cotton pad, then delicately wipe away eye makeup. So there you go. This might actually end up in my giveaway drawer because I do have several bottles of different brands of this. So you might see this in an upcoming giveaway. All right, moving right along, I'm going to pull out the item that I'm next very excited about, and I'm not going to give this a try during this video. Obviously, I already have my makeup on, but I will be giving this a try very, very soon. It is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. I have considered picking this up on a couple of occasions. One of the things that is holding me back is the scent. This is, I do have the powder and I do have the foundation. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. And I do like them both from this line, but honestly, the scent just is a little bit of a draw from it, if that makes sense. So, okay, the scent doesn't smell too bad, but okay. I will definitely give it a try. I'm very curious about this. So this is the, it says That's Just Peachy, Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Perfecting Primer. Peaches and Cream Collection. An effective primer that blurs imperfections and brightens the complexion. Why we're raising a toast to it. This is the perfect primer to help you ring in the new year. The lightweight formula lasts all night, delivers 12 hours of shine control, and smells like peaches and cream. How to use: you apply a small amount to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks, then blend with fingers. So there you go. All right, 2 more products in my play bag this month. Let's go ahead and pull this one out right here. This is the Rouge Gel Lip Liner from Sephora. Let's see what shade I have. Okay. This is in shade 2, Nothing But the Nude. And that's how big it is. I've said this in past Sephora play on baggings that, you know, when they're giving us a Sephora lipstick or a Sephora lip liner or an eyeliner or something like that, I don't know why they can't just give us a full size. I mean, I know it's only $10 for this bag, but Ipsy's $10 and I get full size lip liner or eyeliner in my Ipsy bag. And Sephora has way, way more money than Ipsy does. So anyway, that's my rant for the day. I'm done with it. So it's nice and soft on the skin. There is the shade right there. It's just a nude lip liner. I'm happy to get a, you know, nude shade because I'm always afraid that they're going to give us like something crazy like bright pink or bright purple or something like that. And I just won't wear it, unfortunately. So it does say that it does come with a built-in sharpener. Let me double check to see if the small sizes comes with a built-in sharpener. Doesn't look like it does. No. So this one does not. It says that it does. It is a retractable, which is nice actually for how small it is. It's nice that it is retractable, but it does not come with, I don't think it does. I'm afraid I'm going to break it. I don't think it pops off. It says that every liner comes with its own sharpener, but I'm afraid I'm going to break it, so I'm not going to do that. All right, the last, oh, let me read to you. It says Ahead of the Curve. This is the Sephora Collection Rouge Gel Lip Liner in Nothing But Nude. It's a gel lip liner with a super soft texture in a matte nude shade. Why we're raising a toast to it. Give your lips a little extra oomph. This creamy lip liner glides over curves with ease for a fuller look. Plus, it delivers smooth, rich color with its non-drying formula. How to use: apply to the outer lines of the lips, then fill in for a perfect base before adding lipstick. All right, and there's one more item in here. I just dropped it on the table. It is from Trestique. It is a mini lip glaze in Paris Pink. Let me pull this. There's a little sticker on it. Let me get that off real quick. Okay. And, ooh, that is bright. Let me see what it looks like on the... Okay, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad. There it is right there beside the lip liner. This is what the little container looks like, or the little product looks like. Okay, and this says Glaze for Days. It's the Trestique Lip Glaze in Paris Pink. It's a nurturing lip balm in a vivid pink shade with a soft shine finish. Why we're raising a toast to it? Resolve to keep your lips moisturized, get a dose of hydration and a pop of color with this lip glaze that goes on smooth, lasts all day, and feels like a second skin. How to use: you start in the center of your lips and apply outward to the corners of your mouth. So there you go. Let's see. I do have lipstick on. I actually am wearing a Stila lipstick right now in Caramello. And my lips are cracking, so it's all coming off. I'm going to go ahead and take this off real quick. So that's about as good as I can do it without messing my foundation up too much. So we're going to go ahead in with the lip liner first and line my lips. All right, this looks like it actually would have worked really well with the lipstick that I just took off from Stila. It's nice and soft and goes on really, really smoothly and glides like right on. It got a little bit away from me on this side of my lip, but it's okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put the Trestique right over top of it. All right, well, it definitely does not go on as bright on my lips as it did on the back of my hand. And I'm actually really having a hard time getting any color to go on my lips. So that's a little bit concerning. And maybe it's just that the lip liner is too dark. I don't know. I don't know. But there you go. That's what they look like together, at least on my lips. I'm just not really seeing the pink. Okay, so just to recap, I got the Sol Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, which I'm not going to be able to use. The Belief Moisture Balm, which I am actually liking, although I will tell you that the amount of product you actually get in here is very, very small. I don't know if it actually says on the bottle how much is in here. It's 1/3 of an ounce, so it is a very small sample. The Lancome by Facile eye makeup remover, which I'm sure is great. I just don't normally use that type of product, and I get a lot of them, so I don't go through them very quickly. The lip liner, which is teeny tiny. The Trestique, which just doesn't seem to be showing up on my lips. And I tried. I put that on a lot. And the Primed and Peachy, which I am actually very excited about. So of these 6 products in here, the only ones that I'm kind of excited about are the Primed and Peachy and the Belief, both of which are teeny tiny. This is 0.16 fluid ounces, and again, this one was 0.33. So I'm not real happy with this bag. I'm starting to sound like a broken record when it comes to my Sephora Play bag. I feel like they just are not, they are not meeting the standards of other bags and other boxes. They just aren't. I'm honestly really looking forward to my Allure box, which hasn't shown up yet, but I'm hoping it'll show up soon. The sneak peeks of that box are fantastic, and I'm hardly ever disappointed by my Allure box anymore. There were a couple months a little bit ago that they were not as good, but that's $15 a month. This is $10 a month, and I've seen even some of the Sephora Play like higher end bags where I think they're $15 or $20, and I've never bought a single one of those because they always look like crap to me. So there's that. Anyway, this box may be going bye-bye. There's a couple of bags that I've been really disappointed in lately. Let me know your thoughts. I know I've asked before and I've gotten some feedback. Let me know your thoughts on what bags you'd like me, or boxes you'd like me to start unboxing. I am looking at the Macy's box, and I'm also looking at the Tribe Beauty box, and there's a couple others that I'm looking at that are either monthly or bi-monthly. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Anyway, if you like this video, please go ahead and give me that thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It helps me more than you probably realize. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget the little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I do read every comment. I try to respond to every single comment. I'm not always successful at responding to everyone, and I am usually a little bit behind as well. And if I've read it, I try to hit that heart button as well, so you'll know that I've at least read your comment, and I typically will come back a couple of days later or a week later and try to give a response as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye!